If your clients had to identify one thing that worried them the most, what do you think it would be?
Running out of money. For most clients, it will be about their safety in the home.
Financial. Always comes down to finances.
It's the unknown is what scares people.
Well, health and well-being and how they're going to be looked after and live well in their later life. A lot of our clients are financially very secure, so their concerns are more about how they use that money most effectively to help them live a healthy and enjoyable life.
Are they going to fall over? You know, what risks are in the house? What tripping hazards are in the house? What kind of things are actually going to cause accidents? And a lot of my clients are to do with their memory, so it's about forgetting things, and that is a big concern of people.
Not knowing how long they've got, really, it's a very difficult thing to talk about. You know, if you're going to help a child through university, you know that university is going to be 3 years. You know, going into a care home, how long is a piece of string? That is the problem.
When they're in their own home, often it's a familiar environment. They know it's the world they know, and they don't want to be uprooted from that.
It's almost as if elderly clients are admitting defeat if they're having to give up on their own home, and they build their own, staying in their own home, some of them certainly, into a very big thing. They, at all costs, they want to remain at home.
That generation, they're so careful about money, and they're so careful about everything they do, and they're so resilient, and they're so stoic about everything. And suddenly the thought of spending over £1,000 a week is just, it's so alien. And then of course they're incredibly wary about who is going to help them make those decisions financially. I think they're very wary that there's a commercial side to anyone that's going to be referred. And I think that's where they're very scared about it.